will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Hotels Bancomat. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, you click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on communications, just click on it here. When you just click on communications, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on hotels.com, just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here, come here to the travel edit, just click on it here. Then you come to this list, you click here on this sign on email. Like you see here, the travel edit email notifications enable with us now. Then you click on update, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.